It's Dr. Sara's story time, and I'm a scholar with a brilliant mind. I love myself and I like to learn, so start the story and let the pages turn. Fun in the Sun by Dr. Sara Northern. This is my friend. My friend is fun. Say hi, friend. Hi. My friend can run. Zoom. My friend likes the sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. My friend can run in the sun. Zoom, zoom. I like my friend. Woof.
My friend is fun and he likes to play. My friend runs fast and never runs away. My friend is cool and chills in the shade. My friend eats snacks like every single day. Who's my friend? I'm your friend. Who's my friend? I'm your friend. Who's my friend? I'm your friend. Yay! A friend like no other.